Hello students, Apna Study presents you the Hindu News Bulletins for the 12th of June. Let's dive in.
National News. Shiv Pratap, a journalist, and a person booked for allegedly trying to destroy a ballot box and resorting to firing during the Panchayat election.
Shiv Pratap was on April 19th covering the Gram Panchayat election. He was on April 19th covering the Gram Panchayat election at a booth in Utrash village.
Cryptocurrency exchange Zanmai Labs Private Limited.
The Enforcement Directorate issued a show-cause notice to cryptocurrency exchange Zanmai Labs Private Limited. The ED initiated the inquiry on the basis of its findings in a money laundering investigation into illegal online betting applications.
Assam Congress slams CM's population remark.
Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma asked a minority group to adopt population control measures.
The Supreme Court refused to intervene in the registration of fur against Mr. Singh.
The court said it cannot intervene and stay the registration of the fur against Mr. Singh. Mr. Singh had alleged a witch hunt against him.
AIIMS postgraduate entrance test in ECET exams to be postponed by a month.
SC postpones AIIMS PG entrance examination.
BJP to engage with National Conference in New Delhi.
Sources say the centre has been in contact with the top leaders of the regional political parties of J&K for many weeks. The talks were likely to revolve around the return of statehood status to the Jammu and Kashmir and early assembly elections for now.
Tributes paid to freedom fighter Ram Prasad Bismil.
Prahlad Singh Patel is the Culture Minister of Uttar Pradesh. He was martyred in 1927 for his role in the Kakori conspiracy to protest against British rule.
International news. US senators reach infrastructure deal.
The deal would amount to $1.2 trillion over 8 years. The deal is considerably less ambitious than Mr. Biden's $2.3 trillion American jobs plan.
COVID-19 jabs to be blocked in Punjab.
Punjab province says it will block mobile phones of people refusing to get COVID-19 jabs. It comes after Sindh province said civil servants who refuse to be vaccinated will not be paid starting July.
Russia set to deliver advanced satellite system to Iran.
Russia is set to deliver an advanced satellite system to Iran, a US media report says. The system will allow Iran to monitor the facilities of its adversaries across West Asia.
Boris Johnson hailed the UK-US relationship as indestructible.
Boris Johnson met with President Joe Biden ahead of the G7 summit on Friday. The two leaders discussed 25 topics in some detail, including the disruption in Northern Ireland. Mr. Johnson played down the displeasure of Mr.
UK says Delta variant 60% more transmitted.
UK says the Delta variant is 60% more transmissible in households than the Alpha variant first identified in southeast England.
Business news. India's April industrial output edged up 0.08%.
The manufacturing sector posted a 0.9% decline when compared with April 2019. India's industrial output edged up 0.08% from the level recorded during the same month in 2019.
IGST exemption for COVID-19.
The GST Council met on May 28 to discuss tax cuts on COVID-19 related material. The Council had decided to extend the IGST exemption granted on relief material received free from abroad as donations to state-approved entities.
Sports news. Tsitsipas reaches Grand Slam final.
Stefanos Tsitsipas beat Alexander Zverev in 5 sets at Roland Garros. Tsitsipas became the first Greek player to reach a Grand Slam final. Check World No.
Indian shooting squad vaccination drive.
Indian shooting squad had a vaccination drive to complete the second dose. The second dose is scheduled for on July 9th.